Have you ever been in the middle of a perfect shot? The moment is happening, you press record and suddenly card full, or your battery dies, or you realize you weren't recording the whole time. If you've ever felt that pain, you know it's the type of mistake that can ruin a project or make you unprofessional in front of clients. Today I want to save you from that stress. I have gathered the most common mistakes videographers made, the same ones I've made, and I will show you how to avoid every single one of them. I'm Cyprien, filmmaker and content creator from Rwanda, and today we are fixing every mistake that can cost you a shot. Let's get into it. 1. Running out of storage mid-shoot. Have you ever been recording an emotional interview, a moment that will never happen again, and suddenly the camera tells you not enough space? Now you are stressed. You are scrolling through your card, deleting clips you shouldn't delete, and the client standing there watching you panic. These mistakes look small, but they create huge negative impression. How to prevent it? Plan your shoot. Write down what you need. Shot list, duration, scenes. This lets you estimate storage before you even start. Always format your card before the shoot. Don't start filming while old test clips are still on the card. Carry a backup SD card. One card is never enough. Cards fail, projects run longer, and you always need a safety net. 2. Not recording. The most painful mistake. Every videographer with 2+ years experience knows this pain. You finish a 5-minute interview, a perfect take. You got to stop recording, and then you realize it never started. The whole take is gone. You can't ask the client to repeat everything. How to avoid? Avoid distractions while filming. No replying message, WhatsApp, or checking emails. Always monitor your LCD, not only for exposure and framing, but also to confirm the red light sign is on. 3. Data lens or data sensor. You capture beautiful moments, everything looked amazing on set, but in post-production, you see a fingerprint in the middle of every shot. Now your footage looks bad, and you have hours of extra work. Solution: clean your lens before every shoot. If possible, clean your sensor too. It takes 30 seconds and saves hours in post. 4. Not reviewing footage during the shoot. Many videographers move too fast. They shoot, but never check what they captured. Then later, in editing, you discover focus is soft, exposure is wrong, shots are shaky, when it's too late to fix it. Always do a quick review. After every important take, quickly check focus, exposure, stability. If something is off, shoot it again. 5. Shooting in black and white mode. If you are still shooting in black and white mode on your camera, stop it today. Because if the client changes their mind, you can't bring the color back. If you decide to adjust the creativity direction, it's too late. You can always turn color into black and white, but you can never turn black and white back into color. Shoot in color, convert in post. 6. Shoot vertical when you should shoot horizontal. This is becoming a common trap. Yes, vertical is trending, but what if client wants a YouTube version? What if you want this footage in your future short film? What if you need it in horizontal later? Vertical limits you. Shoot horizontal, then crop vertical later. Just make sure you shoot in high resolution. If this video helped you avoid even one of these mistakes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with another videographer. Your support helps me keep creating and sharing more filmmaking content. See you in the next video and happy shooting.